This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 69. The slowdown before stability. Why progress feels slower right before it stabilizes. There is a phase that confuses almost everyone. Progress seems to slow down just when things were finally moving. Less intensity, less emotional charge, less visible change. And the mind reacts. I was doing better before. I am losing momentum. Did I stall? Biologically, this phase is not regression. It is consolidation. When the nervous system begins to stabilize, it stops chasing novelty. It starts reinforcing what works. This requires energy, but not dramatic energy, not spikes, not breakthroughs, but quiet repetition. During survival, change feels fast because it is reactive. During regulation, change feels slow because it is structural. The system is no longer proving safety, it is building reliability. This is why progress can feel boring right before it becomes stable. No rush, no urgency, no emotional fireworks, just capacity being held consistently. Slowness here is not delay, it is integration. If you feel less driven, less dramatic, but more able to show up, that is not stagnation, that is progress becoming permanent. Stability does not announce itself, it settles in quietly. Next episode. Why ease can feel unsafe after long-term effort. Thank you.